ezyZip.
G'day. I'm ezyZip, and this is how to zip files on a Mac using Finder. First, locate the files or folders that you want to zip. You can select multiple items by holding down the Command key while clicking on each item. Once you've selected them, right-click to open the context menu. Then click on Compress. It will start compressing the selected files or folders into a zip file. It will create it in the same location as the original files or folders. You can also use the search function in Finder to locate the file by its name. Your zip file can now be easily shared via email, uploaded to cloud storage, or used for backup purposes. Simply double-click on the zip file, and the Mac will extract the contents into a new folder with the same name as the zip file. We also have a tutorial for zipping files online using the browser method. And even more methods in our article, link is in the description. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us.
ezyZip.